Alright, hello there YouTube. Today I'm going to be doing a little review video on my Panavise mount, the Ram ball mount, and the Ram Tab-Tite tablet mount in my 2009 Toyota Tacoma. Just put this in yesterday. Finally got to drive with it and basically see how it performs. Pretty impressed with it, considering the simplicity of it. I'd have to say that it's definitely worth the money. Glad I bought it. And the accessories that you can get for it, mount-wise, there's a ton of them. Kind of show you what I got here. So this just basically has the mount back here, which goes back. Installing that was a breeze, like a 5-minute job if that. You pop out the climate control, screw the bracket in, and pop your climate control back in. Super easy. Like I said, like a 5-minute job if that. Here I got the short Ram ball mount. You do have to buy all this stuff separate. I have to say that's probably the only downfall, is it can get pricey with all the individual pieces. I don't know how much. I think I spent about 75 bucks on all this, without the tablet, of course. But so you have that. The Tab-Tite tablet holder. It's pretty nice. You can basically spring-loaded. You can put different end caps on, which I have to do because these are meant for a tablet with a really thick case on it, and mine doesn't have a case. So I have new ones coming in the mail. Hopefully it'll hold the tablet a little better. I did get some vibration noise from the tablet on the plastic here. I'm thinking about putting some foam strips back behind it to keep that plastic off plastic. Otherwise, I mean, this thing, you can get longer extensions so you can have, you know, more accessibility here, but I just kind of wanted to have my tablet down here so I can hands-free have navigation. It's pretty nice. Basically one screw tightens it up. You know, going down the road, on a smooth road, there's absolutely no vibration. Older highway, you get a little vibration, but it's never, I mean, you can do that. I've never heard that happen. It never vibrates that much when I'm driving. Just strictly doing that. That kind of shows how much I guess it could vibrate. But I've never had it. I've never been on that bumpy of a road, I guess. I don't know, otherwise it's pretty nice. For what it is, I can't complain. I think it'll work well. And I don't know, I guess if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. And if you want any specifics of anything, just ask me. That's about all I got for you guys. Alright, thanks.